Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group graphics in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation or open your default presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I group graphics in those presentation. Now you can see here are many graphics object. Now I select those all graphics object. Press Ctrl and press on your mouse left button to select this all images. Then you can see here are show or hide format and style option. Click this option. Now you can see here are three options: style, text and arrange. Now I click arrange. Now you can see here are a group option. Click this group icon. Now you can see I group graphics in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.